I've spent full entire month in Malaysia. Today I would like to answer for 10 most frequently asking questions about this country and Kuala Lumpur city, guys. Is English widely spoken in Malaysia? Yes, indeed. Actually, in peninsular Malaysia and especially in the big cities like Kuala Lumpur, almost everybody speaks English. Either some people speak better, some people speak less. However, I didn't have any troubles to communicate with anyone in English here. I never been in Borneo Island on the other side of the Malaysia. However, in Peninsula, everybody speaks English. However, the official language in Malaysia is Bahasa Malay, which is Malaysian language. Malaysia is the third country in Southeast Asia widely spoken English. So totally no problems at all. Is Malaysia a safe country to travel, and is it safe at night? Definitely yes, indeed. Let's starting about the walking at night. I used to walk at night like midnight, 1, 2 o'clock at morning in Kuala Lumpur, in Penang and in Langkawi, and I didn't have any worries about anything. Nobody tried to talk with me or distract me or anything like that. Definitely is safe. Also is very safe country for solo travelers, also for solo ladies. What is the best way to moving around Malaysia? Especially in Kuala Lumpur, you have a very great public transport, either the buses, monorail, MRT stations, commuter trains, everything works perfectly seamless, very punctual, very safe. If you would like to travel between other cities, highly recommended to using the private bus companies. They are like 30-seater buses with very comfortable seatings with the very affordable prices. Also, you can take a flight by AirAsia or Malaysia Airlines. If you choose the first one, is low-cost airliner, and you can find the flights almost anywhere in Malaysia within $50 or so. So it's very affordable. Inside the city of Kuala Lumpur, except the public transport, you can use also the Grab taxi or the normal taxi. However, I highly recommend using the Grab taxi. It's also very affordable. Or you can rent a car if you would like to drive by yourself. But have to remember, you have to have an international driving license, or if you have an ASEAN driving license from different countries from Southeast Asia, is also acceptable here. If you decide to drive a bike, you have to have a motorbike license. What's to see in Malaysia except Kuala Lumpur? Actually, a lot of things. The most common mistake what most of visitors doing coming to Malaysia, to Kuala Lumpur, usually they're doing just the transit in the airport and then don't even leaving the terminal. Or they coming through Kuala Lumpur only to make a picture with KLCC, the Petronas Twin Towers, for 1, maybe 2 days, exploring a little bit of the city, and that's it. Of course, Kuala Lumpur is a very impressive city and it's a lot of things to see around. However, during my 1-month stay, I go to different cities like Johor Bahru, Melaka, Cameron Highlands, Ipoh, Penang, Langkawi, Port Dickson, and some others around, but it's even hard to mention all of them. I saw a lot of very interesting places around Malaysia, peninsular Malaysia, and also met so many friendly people. Also, I didn't go to the Borneo Island, which is I have an opportunity to come another time to Malaysia and explore the rest of the things what I didn't visit. So a lot of things, guys. Another question, is Malaysia expensive? Definitely no. I made a special video regarding this topic, how Malaysia is cheap, and in my opinion, Malaysia is one of the most affordable countries in Southeast Asia. If you haven't seen the video, I highly recommend it to do it now. Is street food safe in Malaysia? Definitely yes, guys. I stayed here for full entire month, tried so many dishes, mostly from the street, cooked very well, very clean, and didn't have any problems with my tummy or diarrhea or anything at all. Totally zero, and I never actually worried too much about that one. To compare to the other Southeast Asian countries, definitely is safe, guys. So don't you worry about that and try as much as possible. I also make a video about that, about the longest street food in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. Highly recommended to check this out. You can find so many beautiful and tasty things over there. And it's all safe. How do I pay in Malaysia? Well, cash is the king, and I hope so always gonna be, and always was. However, you can go totally cashless in Malaysia, and even you can pay cashless in the food court stalls where there is the street food or something like that. Probably you didn't expect that, but yes, you can register yourself on the Touch and Go and create the e-wallet. You can top up this account buying the PIN in 7-Eleven, or if you are a Malaysian, of course, you can top up this using your bank account. Also, the contactless payments using your debit or credit card Malaysian system of payments is so advanced, and it's actually, when I was here like 4 years ago, wasn't like that, but now it's like, wow. I mean, like, really. Once I was in the Costa Cafe, and the guy told me actually, as I cannot pay using the cash, so I had to be using my touch and go e-wallet or the contactless debit card. Crazy, but well, it's very advanced. Also, if you are using the public transport like a metro or buses, everything you can pay having a special prepaid card. Also, if you are paying by Grab, you can using the credits or taken already automatically from your account. However, I usually pay by cash anyways. Also, if you are booking the bus tickets or everything, you can do it online. Actually, you can do everything online or cashless here. And if you're enjoying this video and thinking it's very informative, I would really appreciate if you could hit this red button to subscribe to my channel, put the all notifications on, and like the video. I'm making videos every single day. Are the people in Malaysia friendly? Yes, they are very friendly actually. Malaysia have a lot of local people who are friendly to you, who speak English, but also so many expats everywhere around. I mentioned already many times as Malaysia is having a huge expat community in the world, especially one of the biggest in Southeast Asian countries, and they are just friendly and they are easy to make conversations with you without trying to sell you something or offer something. Also, many of them, especially Malaysian people who I met, was very, very friendly to me. Also, many of them, they was thinking as I'm expat living here already for a longer while, so they didn't even consider me as I'm the tourist or traveler. So definitely very friendly and very worth to try to making conversations with the local people or the expats in Malaysia. You can be really surprised how interesting conversation or even meeting very interesting people you can hear in Malaysia, guys. Where to stay in Malaysia? My personal favorite one is Kuala Lumpur city, and the most closer to the center of city like Bukit Bintang is the best. I was staying in the radius of 4 kilometers in the area of Cochrane MRT, and I was so happy with that. You can stay also in other cities like Penang is also very popular for the tourists and travelers and also the expats, or Langkawi is like a tropical island. However, I think Kuala Lumpur is just the best. The value what you're gonna get for the rent, for the apartment, or also the food options and communication and the transportation and safety also, and everything actually 100% for me, Kuala Lumpur. I really enjoyed staying here for a month. And last not least, when is the best time to come to Malaysia? Pretty all year round, because the weather is like today, is like very hot, about 30 degrees or more. Always is sunny day, sometimes rainy. This is like a tropical climate here, like in many other Southeast Asian countries. However, there is not really like a rain season or dry season, so the weather is kind of stable, I could say. Well, I've been here in full entire June actually, and now it's end of the June, and well, the weather was just simply great. There was few times rainy, usually afternoon. However, in Malaysia it's like very common thing, so technically you can come here all year round. There is like a one season for full entire year, guys. Highly recommended to come here for a longer than just few hours when you have a stopover or just 1 or 2 days. Definitely a lot of things to do, and in my personal opinion, Malaysia is one of the most underrated country in Southeast Asia, and I hope something will change for the better for them, because it's really worth it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today, actually listening and watching. I still have 2 days or maybe 3 days in Malaysia actually, so if you just found this channel, check out my previous videos and also the upcoming 3 videos from Malaysia, and I will see you as always tomorrow at 4 p.m. local time. See ya, thank you so much, bye bye.